Here's how to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, open Snapchat. And once you're inside Snapchat, what you have to do is just basically go to your settings or press on your Snap Bitmoji on the corner. Once you press on it, it will bring you right over here. What you gotta do is just basically press on settings or the gear icon. And once you do this, just scroll down until you see the option of Bitmoji. So let's see. So here, as you can see right underneath Snapchat Plus, I can see the option of Bitmoji. So just press on Bitmoji. And now you'll be able to see the option of remove my Bitmoji. So if I press on this option, my Bitmoji will be deleted or removed. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.